Hey guys, Lou here, Bailey there, Rocco somewhere there, I guess. This is what I call a video signature. It's just a quick, informal video that you can attach to your emails to tell folks a little bit more about yourself or maybe give people an update on your latest project or promotion. I'd like to use my video signature to remind you that I've been helping small business owners and entrepreneurs with video marketing since 2005, the same year YouTube started. So if you get stuck or challenged when it comes to video, whether it's getting comfortable on camera or coming up with a whole video marketing plan, I'd be happy to help you. You can just visit loubortone.com and you can sign up for my special Pick My Brain session, strategy session. It's just $97 to spend an hour with me and get you up and running with video so that you can get more clients and make more money by adding video to your marketing mix. Hope to connect with you soon. Don't forget to visit loubortone.com. Bye for now.